Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Mickey's Homesick. Today is Funny's first picnic. Goofy has an umbrella. Watch out, Donald. Where will the picnic be? Daisy wants someplace warm. Donald wants a nice view. Minnie wants moonlight. Funny gets to choose a place for the picnic. Everyone goes up the stairs to anywhere. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone goes flying. They land in a place that is very warm. It's the desert. The desert is not a good place for a picnic. My sandwich, says Donald. A desert wind blows. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone goes flying. They land in a place with a nice view. Even the snow is soft and furry, says Donald. Donald, that is not snow. That's a Yeti. This mountain is not a good place for a picnic. Funny rolls past Mickey and Minnie. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone goes flying. They land in a place with moonlight. They're on the moon. There might be something wrong with Funny. I do not feel okay, says Funny. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone lands in the snow. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone lands in the desert. Achoo! Funny sneezes. Everyone lands at the fun house. Funny cannot stop sneezing. Funny sneezes only when Minnie is close by. Is it the flower on Minnie's hat? Minnie puts the hat away. Funny is all better. It is time to start the picnic. Funny chooses the place. The Funhouse Forest is the best place for a picnic. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.